In this tutorial, we're going to look at a different goal and explore the implications. I'm going to look at G1, which is domain knowledge. I'm going to expand that branch, and you will now see that actually we have two levels. This is the level 1 goal, this is the level 2, and this is the level 3. This goal here, this driver, basic qualifications, has 3 different drivers working towards it. Do you have an NVQ? Let's edit that, and the value is going to be yes, I have an NVQ. Just ticked it. Do I have a BTEC? And if I have a BTEC, what is the qualification that you got? You can see that the benchmark for this can be found by hovering over that pointer. The benchmark is merit, and I'm going to score distinction. And here, do I have a higher national certificate? I'm going to edit the qualification. This time I'm going for a merit. This gives me a score. It has forced that score onto basic qualifications, and because this shaded area has gone over the benchmark marker, I know that I'm fine. I'm over the parameters there. This line is the benchmark I needed to achieve. Did I have any failed tests? Yes. I failed, or no, I didn't. You can see it's just a toggle switch. So yes, I've had a failed test, and that will have drawn away from my domain knowledge. And this one here, I'm going to take up to the benchmark. So now I've completed all of this information. I do need you to understand that sometimes it's really useful to use these comment areas here to be able to give your line manager information over and above just moving the sliders or changing the values. This 30 says that having evaluated all of those goals, having evaluated all of those drivers and inhibitor, you should have achieved 30. On this particular score, you've scored 0.38, so that's over and above what you were expected. We've completed it. I can now shut that down. Again, maybe I don't want to go on any further with that. Maybe I'm going to actually save. Before we log out this time though, log out, I'm going to have a look at this PCDR. We looked at it earlier. I'm going to click print. The difference between this and the first time that we saw it is that we can now see the values that we have put in when we evaluated those different drivers and inhibitors. Okay, so here we have all of the elements.